My baby, my Valentine. Can I you to make you what I'm not at if you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Loving the thought of me, I am so obsessed.